Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update ngayong February 1 to 15, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan, let's see. Gemini, what's up with you? First half ng February. Okay, Pallas Athena, think. Meron kayong mga pag-iisipan. I-analyze. Maaring meron kayong mga bagong ideas na medyo nagpapa-excite sa inyo ngayon. You also have the mid-heaven, which is related to your life's purpose, your career. And then you have the Mars energy, which is in motion. So, I think meron kayong creative ideas pagdating sa career, trabaho ninyo na finally gagawin nyo na, no? With Mars energy here na okay, ito na, it's time, ganon. So, pwedeng matagal nyo nang pinag-iisipan to. Pwede rin namang bigla ang idea, no? Parang eureka moment na, oh, maganda to subukan ko nga. And some of you will experience recognition sa trabaho. Mare-recognize kayo sa work, sa community ninyo, or if you are in the public eye, no? Content creator, social media influencer, nasa entertainment industry, you will be recognized. May rewards dyan. Pwedeng may fame. So this is your overall energy, the Tower. Laging nalabas ng the Tower na to. That makes sense kasi that is the energy of Pluto. And Pluto is in Aquarius right now. So major changes talaga sa collective. So, what is the King of Swords? What is the King of Swords is about being more careful sa mga actions na gagawin mo. I think ngayon, mas palaban ka rin ngayon na hindi mo hayaan na i-take advantage ka ng ibang tao, but strategic yung atake mo, kumbaga. Halimbawa, merong person na tinitrigger ka. So, sa'yo, hindi ka basta-basta agad magre-react. Strategic ka. Isipin mo, what's in it for me? May magagawa bang mabuti to sa akin kapag may ginawa rin ako sa kanya? Nag-get even ako sa kanya? Kung wala, then dead ma, hindi mo papansinin. Pero kung sa tingin mo na kapag ikaw ay lumaban, meron ka makukuha out of it, then you will do it. So, kumbaga, you're going to choose your battles. So, let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Gemini? You have the Six of Pentacles. As a challenge, balance ng finances nyo to, no? Baka meron kayong kailangang pagkagastusan or merong hihingi ng tulong sa inyo. There is something here na parang gusto mong gawin, gusto mong ibigay para sa sarili mo. Pero instead na maibibigay mo sa sarili mo, pwedeng ipagpapaliban mo muna kasi meron kang kailangang tulungan. So example, meron kang gustong bilhin, you are saving for whatever na goal mo, and then suddenly meron ka mag-anak, kapamilya, mahal sa buhay na nangailangan ng pera na urgent, kailangan talagang matulungan, then bibigay mo muna yun. Tutulong ka muna. Oo. So, although parang isipin mo nakakalungkot kasi meron kang plano na for yourself pero na-delay dahil tumulong ka, at least meron kang natulungan. Diba? So, let's see your opportunity. Ano yung opportunity ng mga Gemini? You have the Ace of Wands. This is passion. So, maaring meron kang passionate ideas or you're going to be more passionate sa mga gagawin mo moving forward. Parang mas malakas yung loob mo ngayon. You also have the Ten of Pentacles, related to your finances, your abundance. So I think itong creative ideas mo na to, na naiisip mo, no? Kung gagawa ka kaagad ng action dito, this may bring a lot of money sa'yo. Pwedeng bagong bahay, bagong career, bagong bahay talaga, no? Oh, may mga ganun eh. May mga bahay na pag nilipatan mo, pag doon ka tumira, nag-iiba yung timeline mo or yung energies. Maswerte. May mga ganun eh, mga bahay na maswerte. So, for some of you naman, ito nga eh, kailangan nyo talagang i-focus yung attention ninyo sa ideas ninyo. Kasi minsan may mga idea tayo tapos hindi natin pinapansin. So, merong opportunity dito to create a lot of money dito sa bago mong idea. All you need to do is to take action. And then, your blessing. Ano yung blessing ng mga Gemini? You have the Four of Swords. And then, the Star, healing. You're healing yourself. Pwedeng physical healing. Kung ikaw ay nagkaroon ng sakit ng mga nakaraan, you are healing. You are continuously healing your physical body. And this is also about taking a rest. Pagpapahinga. So, that is your blessing. Maaring merong bakasyon na gagawin ka, no? You will go out, vacation with your family, or just being yourself, with yourself, para makapagpahinga. And itong pagpapahinga na to, malaking tulong to para ma-achieve mo yung mga goals mo. Kasi mas magiging, well-rested. Pag well-rested ka, fresh na fresh yung mind mo. Marami kang ideas na may isip that will help you improve your life. So, let's see what else. New pathways. So, ayan. May new opportunity talaga. Consider whether you are happy on your current path. Ayan. So, kung kayo hindi na masaya sa inyong situation ngayon, sa career ninyo, sa business ninyo, then, I think you will do something, no? Meron kang gagawin para may magbago dyan. And that is creating your own opportunity. Creating new pathways. Ascension. Awaken to your soul's potential. Yes, your soul's potential, marirealize mo yung talento mo, yung blessings mo na dumarating is, ito yung kakayanan mo, yung opportunities na nag-open up for you. Those are blessings. And magiging aware ka dyan and you will gagawa ka ng paraan para you tap into that at meron kang maging benefits around it. Show compassion and forgive what needs to be forgiven. Ayan. So, this is about forgiving yourself. Pagpapatawad sa sarili mo sa mga naging bad decisions, mistakes mo in the past. Kumbaga, charge to experience, lesson learned, move on. And some of you naman, maaring meron din kayong patatawarin na tao sa buhay nyo na sa tingin nyo, it's time na parang i-let go na yung yung sama ng loob na yan para mas gumaan na yung loob mo. At meron kang maidagdag dyan ng mga good memories moving forward. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Gemini. See you again.